Hi, my name is Jason Lindsay, and I operate a studio, animation studio in Port of Spain, Trinidad, called Full Circle Animation. We have had a relationship now with TTCSI for since the company has been formed, and it is an organization that is suited towards helping SMEs, especially those involved in the service sector, to be able to understand their product, so to speak, and value proposition within the services space and know how to be able to attract business and conduct business of a service. In our case, it's a digital service. There really are no limitations in how we provide that service with the benefit of the internet and the technology that goes with that. There are no limits with respect to exports and imports. A lot of the business and the product and the service is transacted and transmitted online. So in a way, these services goes global. Training has allowed us to sort of be mindful of that and really focus on the audiences and the clientele that we want to pursue. One of the more fundamental elements of it has been helping us to shape and craft an export plan. Naturally, we do not, because we operate in the digital economy, we do not think of things in terms of exports of services, but really, the reality is when you have to market products and services and offer them and have them be relevant to clientele that are beyond your, whether it be country or culture, I think you still have to think of it in terms of exporting services. And in our case, it's a cultural and creative product. And more so, we have to be able to understand how our service in the creative digital space is relevant or is needed by clients and an audience abroad. And the services goes global. Training has allowed us to do that, has allowed us to really focus on things like the value proposition, the markets, how clientele and audience will see our product and find value in it. And it really has allowed us to focus. And because of that, we've now been able to have more meaningful discussions and dialogue about our offerings to clientele abroad. We have put together an export plan. We're very grateful for it, and sometimes, when you're into the thing that you do and the services that you provide, I think one of the biggest flaws for us, or for any company, for any small company in general, is to be able to appreciate and understand what that service means to a customer. We found a tremendous value in being guided through the program to be able to think in a way that will allow us to present that plan how it should be. And we're grateful for it.